How to compare car insurance quotes. To accurately compare auto quotes across insurers, you'll want to select the same set of coverages, limits and deductibles for each quote. Number 1. Choose your coverage. Consider your state's requirements and any specific coverage types you might want, like collision or comprehensive. Car insurance centered around you? When it comes to insurance, one size doesn't fit all. Learn about the many different coverage types available to help meet your needs, then contact an agent to get a personalized insurance proposal. Number 2. Consider your limits. Think about your personal needs as well as state laws when choosing your coverage limits. What is an insurance limit? A limit is one of the most important concepts to understand when you're considering an insurance policy. An insurance coverage limit determines the maximum amount of money an insurance company will pay for a covered claim. Number 3. Select your deductible. Coverage can come with a deductible, or the amount you'll pay toward a claim. Remember to select the same amount on each coverage for each auto insurance quote you get. What is an insurance deductible? A deductible is a key feature of many types of insurance coverage. It is the amount of money you pay out of your own pocket toward a covered claim. You'll typically find deductibles for certain coverages in homeowners, renters and auto insurance policies. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please like, comment, share and subscribe.